Hello, my name's Dan Keaton. I'm Director of Sales and Marketing for Convergent Design. I'm actually a very technical person, but I'm in a position of sales and marketing. What we have here is our Odyssey 7. This could also be an Odyssey 7Q. I just happen to have an Odyssey 7 on this camera at this time. What our Odyssey 7 is a very high quality 7.7-inch OLED monitor. It is a very reasonable resolution camera with very good images, and the image has a good viewing angle. But more than that, this device, which appears to be a monitor, is actually a recorder. This is a 960 gigabyte SSD that I'm putting in, and there's actually two of them. We can use 240 gigabyte or 480 or 960. Our goal was to come out with a combination monitor and recorder that is the same size as a 7-inch monitor and the same weight, and we've achieved that goal. We've also tried to build in every professional monitor feature. Here, for example, is focus assist. Now, with this focus assist, in this particular mode, the items that are in focus are in red. So if I move over here a little bit and focus on Adam Will, you'll see that his edges are in focus. Now we have a black t-shirt in front of us. So let's go to show a different mode, and a different mode is just edge with video, and what this will do is show you the video plus the edges. So as you can see, when I come into focus, you get the sharp red outlines. The outlines can be red, blue, or green, and we can actually pulse these. We also have zebras, and so here I'm showing zebras. When we're done, we'll have two levels of zebras. One of them will be adjustable for a particular user-specified range, and then you'll have another set of zebras for a different IRE level. You have the ability to do a waveform monitor. Here is a Rgb Parade histogram, and this is a color histogram. So the red pixels, the green pixels, and the blue pixels, and you can see how they go. And if we move this around, you'll see how it all changes. Next item is a color Vectorscope, and this is not complete yet, but when we do, we'll have the appropriate boxes for each color. So there's other features such as one-to-one pixel, audio level meters, time code, and numerous other things. We're also working on a completely new way of doing things where we'll have a cockpit mode. I can't demonstrate it, but when you press a button over here, you'll get to see the image reduced, but then you'll be able to see all the metadata, all the information, which will be very sophisticated and very easy to use. So that's just a brief introduction to this. From a recorder, it's a very competitive recorder. Should compete with any recorder on the market. The lowest of the low end we probably don't compete with, but from our price range and above, we compete very successfully. For example, we can record from HDMI in at 1080p 60 or HDSCI at 1080p 60, and that's included in our prices. The Odyssey 7 is $12.95, and the Odyssey 7Q is $22.95. The Odyssey 7Q can be upgraded to record from ARRI RAW, from Canon 4K RAW, from the FS700, and with the FS700 we can record 2K RAW, 12-bit linear at 240 frames per second, or you can record in 4K. So it's a very flexible recorder and a very good monitor at a price that's actually hard to beat. Thank you very much.